Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home. Lockin Sinister Veno Pro Video Smart Lock and Solar Panel to review. We did an unboxing already, so if you want to see what's in the box, check out the link in the description. Physical installation of the Veno Pro Video Door Lock was like most other smart locks, with one big exception. The Veno Pro provides a smart deadbolt and companion strike plate. Basically, it has a magnet in the strike plate, and the smart deadbolt senses it. And thanks to the sensor, you'll actually know if the door is opened or closed. That means that the auto lock, if you have it set, won't lock until the door is closed. Inside the door is the battery compartment for the large rechargeable battery. If you want even longer battery life, you add their optional USB-C solar panel that plugs into the emergency power port on the bottom of the lock. It will keep the lock charged if your door gets sunlight and if you don't mind how it looks. You'll find a keyhole under the doorbell button. It's easy to pull off, unlike some other locks we've tried. You can also unlock with a pin touchpad, fingerprint reader, and a palm vein scanner. The scanner lights up with a picture of a hand when it senses you nearby, so you know to show your palm, but be quick, it doesn't wait long. If you miss it, step away for a little bit and try again. Or touch a key on the pin pad and it will wake up the scanner. Setting up the lock in the app is easy. It actually scans for the lock over Bluetooth. Just follow the app directions, answering the key questions like your Wi-Fi info. Registering users is also easy. You scan a palm, set a PIN code, and wiggle your finger on the fingerprint sensor. We found registering your fingerprint is easy for adults, but our friend's 7-year-old couldn't get it to set. So she just used the palm reader and the pin pad. Thanks to its Veno Key palm vein recognition technology, opening the lock with your palm is super fast. Make that crazy fast and easy for adults and children. The lock has a camera, mic, and speaker. The camera is 2K with 180-degree field of view. The camera is fisheye, and we would like to see the software be smart enough to de-fisheye the image. One thing that is cool though is the video and the image you see in the app can be adjusted so the picture is in the middle of the screen. In the daytime, the video and stills are very clear. At night, it's a different story. The images are dark, making it difficult to see things clearly, even with the porch light on. We hope they improve this in the future. Per Lockin, the lock has Lockin AI Smart Detection. With an advanced 60 GHz radar plus PIR dual sensors, you can use the lock's default human, vehicle, and package detection, or use the advanced mode and define your own zones. And while it has a geo-fencing function, all it does is set mode. It doesn't appear to unlock or lock the door when you're coming or going. Playback of captured videos from the 32 gigabytes of built-in internal storage is easy. I found this interface intuitive and complete. You can download the videos to your phone as well. Plus, the event log keeps a detailed record of the activity. The lock supports Wi-Fi using their app. If you prefer Matter, you can add the lock to your favorite Matter hub. The Lockin app will control all the functions of the lock, including the camera, live view, and playback. Where your Matter hub will only be able to control the lock-unlock function and receive lock and unlock notifications. Matter support means you can create routines with other smart home devices you have. In any case, locking or unlocking via the Veno app or Matter is very fast. This video door lock is very nice, especially the very fast palm vein unlocking and the smart bolt. Thank you for watching.